A beaker and flask both measure volume. The unit used is milliliters. The difference between the two is that a flask has a narrow end and comes with a cork. The cork seals the top so that nothing can leak through. This cork is the reason that you might choose a flask over a beaker. A beaker has a wide end and is open. One use for using a beaker or flask is measuring volume. To correctly read, measure the water where the meniscus is. Don't have a beaker or flask as your go-to measuring tool because a graduated cylinder is more accurate. As you can see, there are two numbers on this beaker. Always refer to the number on the right as your milliliter volume. Beakers and flasks are both glass and are easily broken by bumping or dropping. Don't leave yours next to the edge or else this could happen.
Happen to break a beaker or flask, immediately tell your teacher. Replacement cost is $5. Another way you can break a beaker or a flask is when you move it from a heating surface or a flame to somewhere colder. This too will cause the glass to shatter.
A third use besides heating and measuring is mixing. Flask is good because it creates a protected area to combine liquids. Here are some examples of water measurements. See if you can tell what the milliliter value is. Most common mistake is referring to the left-hand number when measuring with the beaker. You should always refer to the right-hand number when measuring with the beaker. Hopefully you now know a little bit more about beakers and flasks.